Tesla is near all-time highs again. I just purchased some shares, but why would I do that as the stock is peaking and it's at an all-time high at almost $900 per share? I'm answering these questions, plus I'll be discussing Tesla's secret advertising during the SpaceX launch. All this coming up right now. It's June 1st and Tesla is nearly $900. This is certainly coming from SpaceX's first astronaut launch to the ISS, the International Space Station, which is making space travel history right now. You know what else is making history? The NASA astronauts. And guess what they drove to the launch pad? A beautiful Tesla Model X. That's right, on national television and all media sources, people not only see a Tesla, but it was mentioned multiple times as the astronauts jumped into the back of the vehicle. This type of exposure and awareness builds Tesla's brand tremendously because it's a great trust builder. I mean, come on, NASA trusts Tesla. That's like a stimulus check coming from the IRS. You know that check's not going to bounce, right? This type of marketing is very powerful and saves costs. How much cost does it save? Well, for that, let's take a look at our friend Ford. Ford spent $2.33 billion in 2018. That's a lot of pocket change. Or should I say desperation, because we know Tesla's instilling a lot of fear into all other automakers. So Henry, why are you buying more shares right now? The prices are peaking. And what do I see happening with the Tesla stock going forward into the future? It's not a surprise. I've been bullish. You can see by this video right here. I made it when Tesla was under 600 and I called $800 per share back then, which happened within a week after I made that video. Well, if you ask me now, I think the story for Tesla is just beginning. I think this stock is a $1,000 stock. Let's be honest. Let's put $1 billion of free marketing into a company without having to pay for it. That right there will make a whole difference in a company, not to mention a company like Tesla, which has an exceptional product line with innovation and just overall enthusiasm across all of its customers. I was shocked when I found Tesla Model 3 was the top selling car in California. I don't mean top luxury car either. I mean car. It beat Honda Civic, Camry, Corolla, and Accord. Hey, I have a Corolla, by the way, so I don't know. Maybe I should get a Tesla Model 3. Soon. Very soon. So this fact that Tesla is beating all the competition, including stiff competition like Toyota and Honda, that one fact alone makes me so confident that other states will follow suit. And this trend will not only apply to California, but it will spread into other cities across the United States. So, am I concerned at all? Henry, the price is near all-time highs. You have to be somewhat concerned. It will surely fall again, right? I mean, there's going to be a better entry point. I'm going to buy it cheaper than what it is today. Wrong. I mean, look, Tesla is going to go up because of some of these things I just discussed. But, why would they go down, basically? Well, there's a few reasons they could go down. Elon Musk could make another comment. And he already kind of did that. So that's my number one reason it can go down. Other than that, do you really think people are gaining confidence in Tesla and thinking of maybe because I'm so confident, I think I should sell these shares? No, that makes no sense, right? That doesn't make any sense. Look, Tesla can fall. Sure, it can. But in my opinion, it's more likely to continue rising and blowing up than falling down. Well, with all this said, what's going to happen next for Tesla though? Well, their earnings are somewhat on the horizon in July, and that makes June another reason to buy because as the date approaches, more people will have FOMO, fear of missing out. That type of mentality, and they're going to say, I want to buy Tesla before they report earnings. And that type of behavior will drive up the stock more. So I think, in my opinion, that the momentum will continue and this bullish behavior is going to keep going in the stock and we will go to all-time highs. Now, this momentum is also a strong sign that bigger institutions are getting involved because, let's face it, unless you're a billionaire, a bunch of retail investors don't move large stocks that are worth over $100 billion, this much at least. So I know big time hedge funds and institutions are they're piling on into the stock at this stage because their research shows them something. And in my opinion, their research shows that Tesla will beat earnings in July, which I think is very likely to happen. And I've said that in their prior earnings call. I think we will see an all-time high probably in July, if not later this month. Could I be wrong? Yes, I could be wrong. But what I would recommend you guys doing is your own research, because I can't predict the future. And if someone tells you that they can predict the future, well, my friend, run. Run quickly, because no one can predict the future. No matter what kind of degree you have. I have a finance degree, I worked on Wall Street, and I cannot predict the future, but I can tell you guys what is likely to happen if you kind of use your mind that you have and do your research and just have some belief in what's going on, because it's a tough time right now. But if you look at the facts with Tesla, it's pretty clear that this brand is accelerating and beating the competition. So they're beating the competition, and if you guys made it this far into the video, please smash that like button for me and subscribe, because it really helps out with the channel, and I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers so I can keep making these amazing videos about Tesla, and I'm also going to start making more videos about other stocks. I actually have a Patreon page where I go over a lot of trades that I make personally. Like today, I woke up and I took a look and I kind of liked where Square was going. That momentum is very strong, just like the strength in Tesla. So I sold a put on Square and a couple credit spreads, which have already made enough money to enter the Patreon page for an entire month. Either way, guys, I'm really glad that you guys found some value in this video and have made it this far. I really appreciate it, and I hope that I'm giving you guys thoughtful and actionable insights that you can take advantage of. Because at the end of the day, working is hard, but if you see opportunities in the stock market, it's a great way to invest and build long-term wealth, especially in companies that are doing good for the world, just like Tesla is. So enjoy my cool outro music and look out for future videos.